Maintain accurate, color-coded septic system maps so landscaping or repairs never damage vital components. Start by producing detailed as-built maps that show the tank, valves, and dispersal lines with precise measurements from fixed reference points such as building corners or permanent markers. Use consistent symbols and a clear legend so any contractor can read the plan without asking questions. Color code each utility and component on the map. For example, use blue for potable water, green for dispersal fields, and orange for sewer lines, and annotate line depths and materials where known. Mark access paths, valve boxes, inspection ports, and maintenance clearances, and note the date and author of the drawing so version control is clear. Keep both digital copies in common formats such as portable document format and scalable vector graphics, and printed high-resolution copies that contractors can carry on site. Store digital files in at least 2 locations, one cloud backup and one local drive, and use simple file names that include the community name and date to avoid confusion. When updating the system, revise the as-built map immediately and notify both the community discussion group and the local contractors list so everyone works from the same current plan. Common mistakes include relying on memory instead of documented maps, which leads to accidental excavation of lines. Fix this by requiring an as-built before any landscape or construction work and by posting physical markers at critical access points. Another frequent issue is inconsistent color or symbol usage that confuses contractors and homeowners. Solve this by adopting a simple standardized color and symbol key and including the key on every page of the map. A third problem is lost or inaccessible files when the person who owns the maps moves away. Prevent that by keeping digital copies in shared community storage, printing a laminated site copy for the utility shed, and notifying the discussion community when files change. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and lets contractors find work by listing projects and contact methods in one place. We also host an active discussion community where members share updates, ask questions, and coordinate access for maintenance and mapping tasks.